Hi, in front of me is REALME C3i, and today I would like to show you how you can use app lock on this device. Firstly, go into settings, then scroll down, click on fingerprint, face and password, go into set privacy password and tap on use a different password type. Pick one of the login methods, for example pattern, then draw it again, and over here answer this security question by typing the answer, but you can also click on it, pick one of these options, for example what's the name of your high school, and answer this question. You can also click on the question again, choose custom question and type your own. When you're done, click OK, answer your question and tap on Done at the top right corner. Now you need to click on App Lock and select app that you want to lock. I will go with Chrome, so I need to click on it and tap Lock 1. So now when I go back and try to access Chrome, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!